If you have wrinkles on your neck, this is a perfect treatment for you. The first ingredient we are going to use is oat powder or oat flour. If your oat powder is not in this form, go ahead and grind it, make it more in a powdering form. So this is just so awesome. It's going to help to nourish, hydrate and moisturize your skin. Oat powder will not only tighten loose skin, it will not only fade away those wrinkles, it will as well help to moisturize, protect your skin from drying out. It will help to keep your skin supple and fresh. Your skin will be looking like that of a baby. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oat powder, which is enough. So next we have here is rice powder. This is the one I got from supermarket. But you can use your rice grain at home, turn it into a powder form. It's equally good. So here is half tablespoon. Rice will help to tighten loose skin. It will help to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines. It helps to fight free radical damage that makes you to age faster. If you have so much oil on your skin, it will help to get rid of it. If you want to get rid of dead skin cells, this is perfect because rice powder will help to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells. So if you want to also brighten your skin, rice will help greatly. So you have to add this oil, rosehip oil. If you do not have rosehip oil, you can go for almond oil. So this oil will help to soothe irritated skin. This is very perfect to keep your skin moisturized, replenish the skin moisture, help to treat dry skin. So in case you want to get rid of those wrinkles, signs of aging, this is just perfect. It helps to remove signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to add just few drops of it. Just few drops, about 7 drops of the oil. If you have almond oil, all you have to do is just to add half tablespoon of your almond oil and you're all good. So the next one I'm going to add here is rose water. So if you do not have rose water, just go ahead and use ordinary water, okay? So rose water will help to balance skin pH. It's for all skin type. It will help to treat dry skin, oily skin, just for all skin type. This is a very good water that when you apply it on your skin, it will help to tighten skin pores, get rid of pimples, any other skin problems. Rose water will not only help to do all that, but it will still help to get rid of those wrinkles and make you look far younger than your age. If you apply this treatment, you won't have those wrinkles on your neck anymore. Just add little by little until your treatment forms a thick paste, okay? So it's time to add this wonderful powder, Moringa powder. Moringa is not only for weight loss, it's not only to detox your system, to make you live longer, to live healthy life. This will also help to fight signs of aging. It will help to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines. It will help to nourish and protect your skin from free radical damage. So this is just awesome, okay? The result will amaze you. It's half tablespoon of Moringa powder, and this will go a long way. So I'm going to add it into it and mix it thoroughly. This is just perfect to remove those wrinkles, be it mouth wrinkles, neck wrinkles, under eye wrinkles, be it forehead wrinkles. This is just perfect. Or if you want to apply it all over your body, your hands, to keep it looking younger, this is just perfect. Wash off all makeups and dirts, then go ahead and use your hand or use a brush apply it upwardly like this. So this treatment is also exfoliating. It's going to grant you a clear, beautiful skin. Okay, apply under your eyes gently. Do not scrub this area. Apply on your forehead to get rid of forehead wrinkles. Be careful around your eyebrow because the oat powder and rice powder can remove facial hairs. So just go ahead and apply it on the rest of your body, your neck, if you want to make sure they are looking younger and beautiful. So continue applying layer by layer until you're okay. Yeah, this is just perfect for you. So after applying it, you have to leave it on for 20 minutes and above. This is to ensure that this treatment dries, penetrates to work better. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to wash it off. I'll join you soon. And you see the way my skin will be looking. Very bright, glowing and beautiful. So you can see, when you apply this treatment, the first thing you notice after washing it off is a brighter skin. Your skin will be glowing. That is because the treatment contains exfoliating ingredients that will help to exfoliate your skin, revealing a bright skin, instant bright skin. So with consistent use of this, your skin will be glowing beautifully. You will not have those wrinkles anymore. So apply this treatment every day or 3 times weekly, mostly best at night. Okay, best to be applied at night. Store the remain in the fridge, maximum of 5 days, and you're all good. Continue with this treatment and you will never regret it. You'll be looking younger and beautiful always. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.